all, today we're going to show you how to use the Mobile ESS for individual users. In this training video, you will be provided the link to browse and open the page of Mobile ESS. This will be the front page of the Mobile ESS. Once you have your user ID, key in your user ID and password, same as what you are using in People ESS. Then you will be able to log in and have the home page like this. Now, I will show you how to view or update the CV. To view or update the CV, you may tap into the CV icon. Here, you are able to view your own CV, change photo, and do requests for CV change. To go back to the home page, simply tap the home logo button. Now, we will check the leave entitlement and leave. Tap on the leave icon from the home page and you will see your leave entitlement details. To view it in different year, just tap to change the year in leave year. Here you can see all the leave type, how many has been taken, current leave, and the balance which is usable. When you tap into history, you will be able to view detailed listing of all your applied leave based on the date range and that you have entered, as well as what kind of leave type and status that you wish to search. Moving on, I will now show you how to apply leave. Head back to the home page and tap on the leave icon. Tap on Apply Leave from the top menu. You will have the screen to fill up all the fields to apply leave. Once you have filled up all the fields, tap on the Submit button at the end of the screen to send for approval. To go back to the previous screen, just tap the Leave button on where you tap Apply Leave just now, or you can simply tap the Home logo button to go to the home page. Now, let us proceed on how to clock in or clock out with Mobile ESS. Tap on the Clock In or Out button and note that you will be prompted to be informed that the page will require you to enable the GPS or location function in order to do the clocking with GPS location. You also will be prompted to give permission for this page to access your location. You will need to allow it before the Mobile ESS will be able to capture your location and allow to do clocking. Then, you may view your own clocking time transaction on the same day and choose to clock in, break out, break in, clock out according to your timing and scenario. When you tap on the shift roster, you will be able to see your last month, current month, and next month shift code as well. To go back to the previous screen, just tap the Clock In or Out button on where you tap Shift Roster, or simply tap the Home logo to go back to the home page. Now, let us proceed on how to view attendance. Tap on the attendance icon from the home page. You will then be able to see attendance records of this week, last week, this month, and last month. You can also view the records filtered by the available filter type in Filter By. Now, let us proceed on how to submit attendance advice or feedback with Mobile ESS. To submit attendance advice or feedback, click on the attendance icon. Here, you can filter by this week, last week, this month, and last month. The date of the attendance available, then you'll back to tap Feedback on the right bottom of the screen to submit feedback of the selected date. Here, you can fill in the time, the reasons, and you can edit the clocking time. After you have filled in the fields, tap Submit to send for approval. To go back to the previous screen, simply click the attendance logo or tap the Home logo button. Now, moving on how to view your upcoming OT plan. Tap on Overtime at the home page and you will be able to view your current, this week, this month, and last month overtime plan. And to submit an overtime request, simply click or tap OT request and you'll be able to fill up and submit an overtime plan request. After you have filled up all the necessary fields, tap Submit for setting to next approval, and to go back to the previous screen, just tap Overtime, or where you tap OT Request, or tap Home logo to go back to the home page. Now, let us move on how to view Payslip. Tap on Payslip from the home page, and you will be able to see your payslip details on the selected payroll period, payroll cycle, and company. You may also tap on earning details, deduction details, contribution details at the end of the bottom of the screen to get more detailed information. To go back to the home page, tap the Home logo button.